Greetings from the next road trip. Get a unique behind-the-scenes look at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure. Chevrolet has long been known for its creativity and dependability, and their most recent motorhome is a shining illustration of that dedication with an aerodynamic design that combines strong, contemporary looks with vintage Chevy features. Beneath its attractive facade is a potent V8 engine, perhaps a 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 Newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque, or a gasoline-powered V8 with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 Newton-meters, 464 lb-ft. These engines, together with a quick 10-speed automatic gearbox, provide you the power and economy to handle any road trip, whether you're traveling up high mountains or down the highway. And sleek, ergonomic dashboard that maximizes comfort and control greets you as soon as you enter. The main selling points are a sizable, perhaps 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a top-notch sound system, and easy navigation. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster shows all of the important driving information. Better quality materials and conveniently accessible physical controls provide every part, from upholstery to trim, a sumptuous appearance when traveling. The inside of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is intended to be a roomy, multi-purpose living area. The living area, kitchen, and bedroom all seamlessly flow together because of the open-plan layout. Every nook and cranny is decorated with high-end materials including leather seats, hardwood flooring, and sophisticated metal or carbon fiber accents. When parked, a motorized slide-out feature gives you unexpected room by expanding the living area. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views from every direction, and adjustable ambient LED lighting creates the ideal atmosphere at all times. The main bedroom is a peaceful haven after a day of traveling. Its luxurious mattress and cozy queen or king-size bed provide a good night's sleep. Plenty of storage is available in a large closet with sliding or folding doors, and bedside tables might include Wi-Fi and USB charging points. A flat-screen TV and a personal entertainment system with a soft reading light enhance your leisure time. This 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom was intended to be both fashionable and useful. A glass door makes it easy to move about, and there is a full-size shower with a rainforest showerhead and sufficient water pressure. Luxurious features include a ceramic toilet with a strong flush mechanism, a huge mirror with built-in lighting, and a sophisticated sink with a high-end faucet. Practicality is guaranteed without compromising style thanks to moisture-resistant, easily cleaned materials and creative cabinet storage. Prepare to cook delicious dishes in this well-thought-out kitchen. A large double sink, a multi-burner gas or induction stove, a microwave and convection oven, and a refrigerator and freezer the size of a home are among its upscale stainless steel amenities. In addition to being practical, sturdy solid surface counters provide a hint of style. All of your kitchenware is kept tidy and organized thanks to the upper cabinet's ample storage space and soft-close bottom drawers. Enjoying every moment of the trip is more important while driving a 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome than just getting where you're going. This mobile house is made to go on countless adventures. Are you prepared to go on your next adventure?